Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about stellar data recovery for Android software. Through this software, you can recover different types of data from your Android device. For example, if you accidentally delete something or if some data gets deleted automatically, you can recover those files using this software. After opening the software, you'll see an interface like this where there are four options on the left side. Recover Android data, recover WhatsApp data, recover WhatsApp business data, recover Google Drive data. So if we go to recover Android data, you can see that it allows you to recover photos, videos, audio files, messages, contacts, call history, and documents. The process is very simple. What you need to do is take your Android phone. For today's video, I'll be using my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. First, you need to connect the phone. So, I'm connecting it now. After connecting, if you wait for a moment, you'll see that your device appears here. Once the device is connected, you can recover many types of data. But we won't go through all of them because that would take a lot of time. So for now, I'll go to Photos. Then, when I click Next, you can see that my device is already connected, and I'll click on Scan. After clicking Scan, it will take some time. Once it's done, it will scan the entire device and show us how much data is actually available for recovery. At this stage, a message appears on your mobile asking for permission. You just need to allow that permission. So, we've allowed it. After allowing, you can see that it's scanning. This will take a bit of time. My phone is a 256GB variant, so it will take a little longer to scan. After scanning the entire device, it will show us how much data it can recover. So, we'll come back after the scanning is finished. Okay, as you can see, the scan has been completed successfully. I had selected photos, videos, audio, contacts, documents, multiple things to scan. Now you can see that it has found 8,031 photos, including both deleted photos and existing photos. It shows both types. So, here you can see a huge list of deleted photos that were removed from my device. If I want, I can save these photos from here. In this case, you have two options. You can either select all, or you can select individual files one by one. So you can choose exactly what you need. There are options for both single selection and selecting everything. Now, when I click on Save to restore the data, it asks me to choose a location. I'll select a location, and after clicking OK, you can see that it's retrieving my photos very fast. At the same time, it's also restoring my video files, audio files, contacts, and documents. You can also do this individually. For demonstration purposes, I'm showing you the complete process. Photos, videos, audio, contacts, everything that you can recover. After a little time, you'll see that everything is being saved. So, we're back. As you can see, if I go into Photos, the photos have been restored very nicely. Many photos that I had deleted earlier have been successfully recovered. You can see all of them here. At the same time, I also selected a few video files. Recovering everything takes a bit more time, so I selected only a few videos. And as you can see, those videos have also been saved very nicely. So this is basically how the software works. If you want, you can recover any lost data using this software. It's a very useful tool. Another interesting thing is that it also has a premium plan. If you want, you can purchase the premium plan and use it. I'll put the link in the description box below. From there, you can check out the software and buy it according to your convenience. So, thank you everyone. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.